Hi everybody. Today, getting things into space is not anymore the biggest problem. We are witnessing a revolution in sensing and compute capabilities, but we don't have the power infrastructure in space to support it. The next 28,000 satellites that will be launched will suffer from a power bottleneck, because today power systems are too expensive, often costing more than 1,000 euro per watt, and they are too slow to deliver. It takes more than 1 year to receive your power system. And when you're building a constellation, this is not just an headache, it's a blocker, and there is nobody that is solving it fast enough. At Revolv, we have invented a new generation of power systems, centered around our mechanism to rotate the solar panels and track the sun, so that the satellite has double the amount of power available on board. This means smaller panels, faster deliveries, and at the end of the day, lower cost. We have also engineered a second generation of our power system based on a different technology for the solar panels, using flexible arrays and silicon cells, breaking out of the limited production capacity. Our story has not been just on the tech side. We've been commercial since the first year, and we have generated over $1 million in sales. We have also recently, on Transporter 13, just a couple of months ago, put 13 of our units into space. And now, this is a technical validation, but it's also a competitive advantage because we are doubling our addressable market. And we are in a position to capture more of our growing commercial pipeline. The market for space power is huge. Over the next 10 years, this is projected to be 20 billions. And when we are looking at small satellites, this number gets down to 3 billions. And we see a path for ourselves to capture up of 300 millions as we are further growing with our current customers, further developing our products, and further securing constellations wins. Today, we are a team of 20 people. And Mikao, our CTO, has designed and flown mechanism for the European Space Agency and for commercial operators. Filippo has secured 1 million in sales, and we've grown the team in less than 1 year from 5 to 20 people today. We are mentored by a wide network of mentors and advisors, and we are backed by renewed investors such as Revolv Space and Takeoff. Today we are here because we are preparing our next fundraising round. As we are exiting a phase of mainly engineering and transitioning to be a proper organization, we need 6 million to further accelerate our growth. And we need to develop the second generation of our power system. That's half of the money, and half of the money will go into increasing our production capacity to more than 100 units per year. Thank you for your attention. We are Revolv, and we give satellite superpowers.